gonna have to make an install sleeve on the lathe for this. I can use this as a crane. I'm gonna go after some motor mounts on the parts cars. I got 2 mounts. I thought about this and I wanted to use the original drive shaft for the front, so much for my plan. Since I moved the hole here, I'm gonna have to make a Okay, I plan to mock up the third engine mount with some small rubber bushings. It has the correct height and bushing I ordered, the engine mount I ordered is just a rectangular from a Ford or something. We'll see when it gets here. Engine is in the frame, and now I have to figure out the drive shafts. The front one will be relatively easy, but the rear one is going to be the real challenge, because the output flanges over here have to come out here as much as I can come to here, and then have an bearing block somewhere here, and then go with another CV axle to the rear axle. A lot of axling. I might have to cut off this engine block end, but I'm not cutting it until I really have to. I kept in mind that I will get to the oil filter easy, so I will cut this corner and then I can access it from the bottom. I can even do it now, but this sharp corner and this one will go.